It is early in the morning and I'm getting ready for work, so let's just go ahead and say it's quick, it's easy. I just want to go ahead and moisturize. You know, I've already brushed my hair into a ponytail. Of course, I'm going to put on my headband and I'm going to finish up moisturizing, and yeah, it's just pretty basic and simple. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some more oils onto the back of my hair because the ends of your hair tends to need a bit more moisture. So I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my Too Faced powder, and I'm just gonna concentrate that powder basically under my eyes because that's where I have dark circles. I don't know if it's hereditary. I even asked my doctor and she gave me a DNA test. I guess she wanted to also know where the dark circles came from. So, long story short, I'm just going to go ahead and put on some highlighter, and I'm not dragging it all the way down, but just focusing on the high points of my face. And yeah, I just love this look. I don't know, maybe people are not doing it anymore, but I love that whole look. I'm just gonna go ahead and focus and draw me on a quick light brow pencil by LA Colors, and the highlighter tool also, it's from LA Colors, which I got from Dollar Tree. And yeah, so I'm just going to go ahead and draw on a quick brow, make it quick and simple. And I try to spend no more than maybe 5 to 6 minutes on my makeup for work, which I don't put much on. I just try to keep it basic and simple because I know that it's going to be a long day, and then I'm just going to head back in and, finish up doing what I need to do around the house, start my duties, and yeah. So, this is just a look that I like to create, and simple, easy, and out the door. So, yes, we're nearing the end. I'm going to put on this rusty red lipstick, and the finishing look will be up soon. If you find any value in this video, make sure that you give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to as well. And just like that, it's time to cook. Okay, that's just what it is. So I'm gonna make some veggie, cheesy, you know, what should we call it? Like an Italian dish. Okay, it's healthy, it's yummy, and here are the ingredients. I'm gonna add cream cheese. These are the cheeses. Okay, I'm gonna put in some sour cream, not too much, and you'll see. Okay, that's the meat, broccoli, spinach, yum. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and boil the noodles down, and of course I love my wok. What? Yes, I'm gonna put in a little oil. I know I love cooking in this wok. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna make sure that I leave that video down in the description box. If not, it's gonna show up at the end screens, and make sure you check the cards. So I'm just gonna go ahead and brown up the meat. Gonna add in some green onions to that, give it a good stir. Okay, now this dish does require a lot of stirring, which you will see. So here are my noodles. They already have been boiled. I'm gonna go ahead and rinse the starch off of them, okay, which is very important. And then I'm gonna go back over here to the wok. I'm gonna add in some seasonings. Now you can add in the seasonings of your choice, but I'm gonna always add in onion powder to my food. It's just something that I like doing. Okay, I'm gonna add in some black pepper too as well. Yes, and I'm also going to add in a little bit more veggies. Okay, the meat is all brown, and I'm just going to go ahead and flip and stir. That's just basically what it is. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and add in the noodles to the meal. Okay, yes, so that makes a lot of sense. Just don't use a fork, just go ahead and drop in the noodles. Started to add in the creamy mixtures. Okay, and give it a stir. Okay, stir consistently and well. Your fire should be on about like medium heat. Okay, you're gonna just make sure that you keep stirring this dish up. That is the key. Trying to blend all of the flavors and seasonings in together, the veggies, the meat, and the noodles all together for even consistency. Okay, adding in more cheese. Okay, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and continue to stir up the pasta. Oh my goodness, it looks so good. Oh yes, it really, really does. It is tasty too, by the way. I don't know about you, but I really love meals that are cooked right from the stove and onto plate. That's just what I love. It just reminds me of a five-star restaurant. Hey, right in your own kitchen. That's what I'm talking about. Okay. So just go ahead and add in some oregano too. And if you find that it's getting a little like dry, just make sure that you add in a little bit more cheese and go ahead and add in a little water to keep the pasta going. Now, I just wanted to kind of make it a little bit more flavorful. Just, I thought that it would probably be a little bit more cheesy, so that's why I added in that. Now, as I stated before, I'm turning nothing into something. I've stated that before on one of my cooking videos, and sometimes it's just like me being in a test kitchen because I just freestyle sometimes my meals and they come out pretty tasty. And you know, with these type of dishes, you can always go ahead and add a little water or a little more cream, and it would make it a little bit more soupy. Okay, the darker the veggie, the better. Okay, so that's what we're doing here. We're just going ahead and mixing everything all up, and this is something that is quick, it's easy. You worked a long day and you want to prepare a healthy meal for your family or your loved ones, and yeah, it's good, it's quick, and it's also tasty, and it's not bad on calories. Okay, because it's cheesy, I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit more cheese on top, and I'm going to plate and serve. And voila, the dish is complete. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back soon on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.